Hey, it's Friday. It's Free Friday. Good morning, everybody. How are you? I apologize that I was quiet and my mouth was just moving. Uh, we're going to say goodbye to dust mites today. Yes? Um, does anybody like sleeping with dust mites? No, but we don't like to think about them, right? We don't like to think about them collecting in our mattress. Um, but today we're going to be dust mite free. And this is day 5 of doTERRA's green cleaning challenge. Are you guys liking this challenge so far? Has it gotten you to step out of your comfort zone maybe with some new things? Today, I have been doing green cleaning for a few years now, and this was a first for me. So we're going to be covering the bedroom today. Those of you who are joining in new, my name is Amy Miller, and together with my husband, we're the founders of 3 Life Essentials. We advocate wellness in all areas of our lives, in our spiritual health, in our health care, and in our lifestyle. And our team is on a mission to help others with their health. And this is Free Friday. This is our weekly series to address experiencing freedom more fully, more abundantly. Today we're going to be dust mite free and toxin free. And I don't know, can you think of any other freedoms that we're going to be experiencing with this? As we're talking about getting rid of dust mites. Yes, we've joined doTERRA in their green cleaning challenge for the next, it started on Monday and it goes all the way through this Sunday. And we're going room by room, tackling different things. And if you go to doTERRA Essential Oils, their official Facebook page, you can join in the challenge and be entered for different giveaways. But we're going to walk you through today one of the recipes. Let me show you here. This is their post for today. Day 5 is the bedroom. There are 2 essential oil recipes here that they share with you about freshening our carpet and a mattress powder. And so that's what we're going to cover today. I'm going to blow this up for you here so you can see this. Now, we've already been talking about the whys behind why it would even be beneficial to switch to green cleaning. And why it would be even more beneficial to do it yourself, DIY it, because you know what's going in it. And many times there's greenwashing happening, even with things that are labeled organic or natural that you buy off the shelf at the store. So comment below. I want to hear, I'm curious, who has cleaned their mattress with essential oils before? I have not, so I want to hear from you. Who has done that before? As I spill my water all over the place. Comment below. Say, I've done this before, or I have never done it before. I want to hear from you. Even if you're watching this on the replay, go ahead and comment or ask your questions. And I'm going to be going back and going through and answering any questions or sharing with you. So before we actually do the mattress powder, and I've been having this, you can see my mattress, maybe you can see it, but I have my mattress powder already sprinkled here on the mattress itself. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this mattress because it's the bomb. Oh my gosh, this is the best mattress I've ever owned in my entire life. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, okay? So I'm going to tell you about the mattress, and then because it may be something you've never heard of before, and then we're gonna do the mattress powder together, okay? Okay, so let me tell you. Actually, I want to hear. Put a 1 in the comments if you love your mattress, or if it's something you just tolerate. Because I've always been a great sleeper, actually up until I had the twins. And then it started really making a difference. Not only the oils made a huge difference, life-changing and game-changer for me, but the mattress I've just tolerated for a while. And I've slept in all the great ones, you know, the Sleep Number beds and things like that. And But I also have been looking for quite some time for something that was more eco-friendly and green. And so when we moved into the fifth wheel trailer, I thought this was a perfect opportunity because this is a king size mattress, and we were sleeping on a queen size before. So no matter what, we could not take, well, we could have taken our mattress, but it just wouldn't have worked in here. So, so I did upgrade in getting a king size mattress. However, we did a lot of research with options with bedding, and I know there's some great options out there for sleep with, you know, your Sleep Number, the Tempur-Pedic, and all those great name brands out there. But at the same time, even though they can give you a great night's sleep, there's a lot of off-gassing happening with those. And up to 5 years, you're breathing those in the many hours that you lay in it sleeping. And so I wanted something that not only was going to match the level of quality of those, but also be more green and more eco-friendly to my body and to the environment, because I'm spending a lot of time breathing here, spending a lot of time with my body attached to it. So this is a natural form mattress. It was originally created to fill a need in the medical industry for patients that were bedridden to prevent bed sores. Those of you who work in the medical industry, as I used to work in many rehab hospitals and in nursing homes, and I saw the effects of bed sores and the constant need for trying to prevent those. This is actually the mattress that many medical people in the medical industry now purchase. This is the brand of mattress that they use. It has 8 self-adjusting tubes in it, so it's a better surface to sleep on. In fact, there are dials on each side of the bed that at points, I think it adjusts 2 different ways. Middle is just kind of a neutral ground, and then there's a softer and a firmer. I have kept it, what they suggest is to keep it in the middle for the first 2 weeks to let your body adjust, and then if you need to adjust the firmness after that, to do that. I haven't had a need to adjust the firmness. And then it also, if you'll know, I don't know if you can see here, but there's a different kind of covering here on the top. It's a wool surface here. This is wool on top, and it feels amazing. But those of you who know a lot about wool, you know that this is actually a natural deterrent to dust mites and bugs and things. So, so it makes it for a great topping as well. So, and it's a natural material. So, anyway, if you have any questions for us more about this mattress, or if you're looking for a mattress yourself that meets those qualities, reach out to us, because we are working with the company to get you a great discount on these mattresses. Plus, they also have, of course, a Memorial Day sale too, so you could get a really great deal with their mattress. If you are planning on moving into a fifth wheel or an RV, you do not want to keep the mattresses that are in those. They are typically about this thick. It's a horrible night's sleep. And especially since we are living in this full time, we wanted to, so we replaced all the mattresses in this, and we wanted better night's quality sleep. This is the best bed I've ever slept on before. It's interesting. I moved from a big house into this 400 square foot trailer, and I'm now getting the best sleep ever. So awesome, right? Okay, so let's move on to our mattress powder. And I'm not seeing your comments today, so hey, Bethany, good to see you. So I keep missing comments, so if you're commenting, I may not see it. I may have to go back after the replay. Okay, so let's look at this mattress powder. It's really crazy ingredients, you guys. It's going to be a lot of work here. You're literally going to pull out your baking soda that you have with all your baking goods, or maybe now you've started keeping some baking soda with all of your cleaning, where you put your cleaning items. I'm actually almost out of my baking soda. I usually buy it in bulk. So but you're going to want a half cup of baking soda. And then they suggest 5 drops of lavender and 5 drops of peppermint. I'm going to tweak this up a little bit, and you may want to too. You can use this recipe if you want, but I tweaked it up a bit. I decided to do 5 drops lavender and 5 drops eucalyptus. And if we had smell-o-vision in here right now, you could be breathing in, opening up your airways with the eucalyptus. So eucalyptus, lavender and eucalyptus have great properties that help deter insects and bugs, but especially eucalyptus is a deterrent for dust mites specifically. So makes it a great item to put here on your mattress powder. Not to mention the fact that it smells amazing. I mean, your lavender for sleeping, hello, and your eucalyptus for opening up your airways when you're sleeping too. So if you could, the smell could come through your computer or mobile right now, you'd be breathing all of this in. So, and here's what you're going to do. You're going to want to find, you can get like a Parmesan cheese shaker, some kind of little shaker that you can find with holes on the top. You can look for those at like kitchen supply stores, or you can even repurpose something you have already in your home, which is what I did. Let me show you here what I have. This is what I used. This is actually, anybody used Redmond, I think it's Redmond brand, sea salt. These are their little tiny Celtic sea salt shakers. And it's nice because it has the big opening, and then it has the tiny holes, and then it has the larger holes. So it has 3 different options for dispensing your powder. And I literally just opened this up. You're going to pour in your baking soda, which is what I did. Now, I'm not going to do that right here. Well, maybe I will, because I don't want it to get too messy right here. And then you're just going to add in your drops. I'm just going to add in a couple of drops here because I've already done this. So I filled all of this with baking soda. I added my 5 drops of eucalyptus and my 5 drops of lavender. Now, make sure it's closed before you do this. Oops. Okay, it's fully closed. And then you're just going to give it some good shakes so that you can allow the oils to disperse throughout the baking soda. And then once you've got it fully shaken and mixed together, open it up to the opening that you want, and just sprinkle it. I'm going to do it a little bit bigger here so that you guys can maybe see it going on. And then you can just sprinkle it here. You're going to want to let that sit for 30 minutes to an hour. So a great time to do this is on a day that you change your sheets, or that you're washing your sheets, which is what I'm doing today. And then I have a lovely assistant who's going to help me. And I'm not going to do the whole thing so that you can hear me. It's going to be loud for just a minute. But Micah, will you help me out? Got my vacuum cleaner here, which goes throughout the entire 5th wheel as an attachment. It's really amazing. Then you're just going to vacuum it up. Now, I've been letting this sit for about 30 minutes. And so you're just going to vacuum all of it up. Now okay, Micah. Now who doesn't love not only having a clean mattress, but then you got your clean sheets on? It's going to be an amazing night's sleep tonight, right? You get your clean sheets on, they're nice and tight, and it smells amazing, and you know that you're also cleaning your mattress naturally. Bethany, yay for tweaks. That probably smells amazing. It does. It does. So let me know if you have any questions about this or the mattress itself. But I believe that you guys can make these simple switches. Now I'm about to sign off. We've got 2 more days left of the Green Cleaning Challenge. So join us back in here on our private group on The Essential Mom, or if you're joining us here on the Facebook page, we will not be here live, but we will be posting, sharing the challenge. And if you're watching this on our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. And yeah, if you're new to essential oils, connect with the wellness advocate who's helping you, because this is a great time to get started. If that's us, drop us a message, and we'd be happy to help find out what your specific needs are and share with you a little bit about doTERRA and see if there's something that you decide that's a good fit for you. So don't forget to go back to the beginning if you're just joining us, and if you have questions, we're going to give you that to get that bonus information about the mattress. We hope you guys enjoyed this, and you can click on the small arrow at the top, turn on notifications so that you can find us each time. We're so happy that you tuned in, and glad it was helpful, Bethany. And we'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.